Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of me on how to replace the dishwasher. If this is your first time watching my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So in this episode we are going to replace the dishwasher, which is I already have the new dishwasher over here. Um, I am going to show you guys how to install the full dishwasher and with the wires and all the hoses and everything. So just please be with me and I will show you guys step by step how to replace the dishwasher. Okay, so under the dishwasher we have two wide pipes. This one is the drain pipe and it has a clamp in the front of it. Basically we can connect and disconnect it from over there with a flathead screwdriver, and as you guys can see it's going all the way under the sink. And there's another pipe that's for the water, and we can disconnect and connect it with the plier or with a wrench. But before doing all these things, please make sure to shut off the water, which is I already did that, and I already connected the pipes under the dishwasher, because it's always like the first thing we have to make sure that the water is shut off. Maybe the main water, that would be even better, or maybe we can shut off the water from under the sink. And right here we have the uh, wires for the dishwasher. And since we are working on the electrical and plumbing, we always have to make sure that the water is off when we are working on the plumbing. And for the power, we have to make sure all the breakers for the outlets for the appliances that we are working, it should be off. um, the, we have three wires in here, and that's for the dishwasher, and it goes and connects to the power that I already show you guys. It's over there. Okay, since the wires are short a little, so I cannot connect them right now. I have to install the dishwasher first, and then after that I will connect the wires. Over here there's two brackets on the top. We can just secure the dishwasher after when we install them, and basically there's two screws that we can um, screw the dishwasher under the cabinet so it's not moving at all. And there's two holes over there that is already pre-made from before, as you guys can see. And I'm going to install the dishwasher in the same exact uh, spot with the one that we had at the old one. Now I'm going to move the dishwasher little by little, because I have to be really gentle with it. If I don't be careful, it's gonna rip the vinyl, and that's a headache. For securing the dishwashers, and we have to adjust the legs under the dishwasher, which is I'm going to show you guys right now. One thing I already mentioned this before, we have to make sure all the time that the breaker is off, or if someone else is working with you in the same house or apartment, um, you guys have to make sure that let the second person know that you shut off the breaker and they shouldn't turn it on and off. And now is the time to connect the dishwasher wires to the power. As like normal wiring, the dishwasher has three wires. One of them is the ground, the hot, and the neutral, which is right now I'm going to connect the ground wire. I really like these wire nuts because it's always like keeping the wires tight enough and it's not moving. And the black wire goes to the black hot. The black wires is always called hot wires too, and the white wires are neutral. Now I'm going to connect the white wire, which is called neutral wire. Now the wires are all connected. I was trying to put all the wires with the cup that is coming with the dishwasher. All the new dishwasher has the new cup that you can cover all the wires. But in here, since the dishwasher wires in here, it was a little short, so I couldn't use that cover to cover all the wires. But right now I'm going to install the front panel of the dishwasher, which there's two screws in the bottom and two screws on the top, which is holding the front panel, the bottom panel. First I'm going to align the panel, and then I'm going to secure it with one screw, and then after that I will go and start with the another side. Now we are done with the front panel of the dishwasher. The screws I already put them on. And the last thing that I have to do is securing the dishwasher. Alright, and the last part of my job in here is I have to make sure that I'm going to secure the dishwasher under the surface, and for that I'm using my drill with the 2 screws. And here I'm going to do the second one right now. Okay, now I have to double check if the doors are closing or not, and after all I'm gonna turn on the water and turn on the breaker to make sure there is no leak from under the dishwasher, and the dishwasher is working by itself too. And this is how we are upgrading a dishwasher. If you guys like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you so much.